Rain chances are on the rise this Memorial Day weekend. Let's talk about it. So Saturday, really Friday into Saturday, we are mostly dry, but Sunday into Monday, we have changes on the way. Specifically on Sunday, we'll just see some isolated showers, straight up rain and into areas of the mountains more so than anywhere else. Monday into Tuesday, though, we do have better shots of rain to come across the area with scattered showers and some heavy rain at times Monday afternoon, and then showers and storms continuing even into Tuesday. So enjoy this bright and beautiful day that we have ahead of us today. 66 degrees around 8 o'clock this morning, so nice and mild, but getting a little bit warmer through the afternoon and evening. Taking it down a notch at least from yesterday. 77 and sunshine by noon and a low 80 to come with some winds gusting by around 3, 4 o'clock. So future wind gusts showing by about even 11. We're going to start to see these winds go up, but really ramping up by 3 o'clock into the afternoon. So at that point, you're really going to feel those wind gusts of around 30 miles per hour, even into the mountains, with not much of a change by the evening, but a slow decline back to the teens at least by 10. So that's going to cool us down. We're going to have these cool mornings and mild afternoons at least the next couple of days. Friday and Saturday still holding on to sunshine and the 70s. 77 on Friday, 76 on Saturday, back to an 80 on Sunday and a little bit more humid, but it comes ahead of our next rain chance and potential here for us. So not looking at washout potential, but Monday to Tuesday does bring a chance of backup plans needed. Absolutely. Saturday for Memorial Day weekend, 76 degrees, feeling nice. Some scattered showers mainly in the mountains on Sunday, but it is Monday on Memorial Day where we do have the best shot of rain coming by. Well, talking about your water forecast, if you're headed to the lake this weekend specifically, on Saturday we have a beautiful day ahead of us. 70s and sunshine. Oh, just doesn't get much better than this. Enjoy it while we have it, you guys. We do have changes on the way leading into Memorial Day weekend. We'll talk about the rain chances increasing, but let's get you out the door on this Thursday. Off to a beautiful start. Temperatures in the 50s. Although solo 64 into Greenville. Actually some 60s off towards northeastern Georgia. Either way, it's mild when you step outside. Certainly don't need that jacket this morning. Your poolside planner, whether it's today or tomorrow, showing going to be beautiful with sunshine in the 80s for us today, but cooler mornings back to the 70s into the coming days. Friday and Saturday highs will dip into the mid 70s and then a low 80 on Sunday with rain chances on the rise into Sunday and Monday, Memorial Day weekend. So enjoy the sunshine. It's extra special today. We're going to have a beautiful day, great for graduation ceremonies. 83 around Union. This is going to be hitting 3, 4 o'clock. 83 into Moore. This is your hometown highs. 82 in Cowpens and Gaffney. So just a little bit cooler than yesterday. 83 in Belton, 82 into Liberty, 85 into Abbeville, 75 into Brevard, 70 in Waynesville, and 76 in Hendersonville. Perfect in the mountains. Again, mostly sunny skies. Kicking up those winds again today, similar to what we had yesterday. So if you were outside, you know to expect a little bit of a wind gust here and there in the 20s as we go through the afternoon. Towards the later afternoon time frame, 3 o'clock, that's when the winds really ramp up to the 30s before we settle down to some lighter winds tonight. Humidity forecast showing we are finally in the pleasant category today, tomorrow, Saturday, but back to muggy and humid conditions over Memorial Day weekend. So get in that water on Saturday. It's going to be a beautiful day for it. 70s and sunshine. Mild temperatures for the water, 66 to 69, and staying dry. That is key because we have changes after Saturday, specifically in the mountains on Sunday. Some rain coming on in. Showers and storms into the afternoon Monday, lifting into Tuesday as well. Not a washout concern, but definitely going to be scattered to a little widespread at times over the weekend. Again, Saturday, beautiful dry. Here's those rain chances coming into the mountains into Sunday morning. Upstate staying dry, just cloudier. But by the afternoon, Monday, leading into a wet Tuesday, we do have rain chances continuing here for us. Again, overall today. Everyone's going to have a gorgeous day no matter where you're at. But we do have big changes. Cooler weather on the way, plus the holiday rain chance. We have the new data in that we're going to let you know when you can expect rain over Memorial Day weekend. Temps right now, it's fairly mild when you step outside. Some 50s out there this morning where we didn't have that the past couple of days. We have those clearer skies leading to more sunshine though, and it will help us warm eventually. But 54 in Spartanburg, 54 in Lawrence, some 60s out there towards Greenville into the west. We're going to have Clemson and Greenville in 60, 63 degree range here this morning, and then low to mid 50s into the mountains. A beautiful graduation forecast, like baby blue skies today with just a few cloud cover out there. 8 o'clock this morning, 65 degrees, warming to the mid 70s just before noon. And then comes a low 80 as we go into the afternoon and evening. So highs eventually again reaching those low 80s today. Morning on Memorial Day weekend, rain chances. They are there. Saturday looks great, but as we lead into Sunday, the mountains are going to start to see some rain increasing. I think the upstate stays mainly dry, but scattered showers and storms increasing into Monday with even some heavy rain in the forecast on Monday afternoon and evening, and then spreading in across the area on Tuesday. So enjoy the day today, embrace the sunshine, and highs in the low 80s, a little bit cooler than yesterday, and some gusty winds from time to time. 65 degrees around 8 o'clock this morning, starting to warm to the mid 70s by noon, and then a low 80 as we go through the afternoon. Again, a little bit of a breeze today, so very similar to what we had yesterday, just some slightly cooler temperatures out there. But wind gusts getting up to about 20 to 25 by just before lunchtime. Winds coming in from the northwest, so that is again bringing in that massive cooler air. We are going to see 30 for those wind gusts around 3 p.m. That's when the breeze really starts to kick on up. So graduation photos, the hair might be blowing in the wind a bit today. Future wind gusts showing we are looking much calmer by tonight. 77 again on Friday. So showing, yes, the temperature will drop even more so in the coming days. 76 for the high on Saturday, but beautiful paired with sunny skies. So great weather to get outside before the rain chances increase Sunday into Monday, specifically with your washout potential showing Monday and Tuesday. Backup plans absolutely needed, but the worry does come more so with Monday on the actual Memorial Day holiday when it comes to those rain chances. Going through your weekend, 76 on Saturday, just downright gorgeous. Sunny, feeling nice. Scattered showers potentially on Sunday. Again, this is mainly for the mountains. We start to up the humidity and the temperature. Let's talk about Memorial Day weekend travel, specifically tomorrow. Not so bad. We'll go from kind of close into area wide across the states, but taking a look at this map here, Friday travel here, at least in Greenville, if you're headed to this Thursday. So enjoy the sunshine and really the mild temperatures here. Some even waking up to the 50s this morning. So a bit of a cooler start off towards the east of Greenville. Greenville itself, 63, 60 in Clemson, 61 in Anderson, 55 in Spartanburg towards Lawrence and Union, all of us there in the 50s, 57 in Hendersonville and 51 in Brevard. But just this gorgeous way to kick off Thursday, leading to mostly sunny skies and straight up sunshine by the afternoon and evening. So again, the accessory needed is going to be the sunglasses. Hitting those low 70s by 10, 11, then by the afternoon and evening, hitting the low 80s by about 2 o'clock. Beautiful, a low 80 today, but our next rain chance on a chance of some showers and storms into Memorial Day weekend, really the latter half. Sunday into Monday, things are going to ramp up with best chances on Monday, the actual holiday. Before that, we do cool down a bit, feeling absolutely gorgeous during this time frame. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, temperatures declining to the 70s by Friday and Saturday, and as well as the humidity. It's just going to feel so comfortable. Hometown highs today, just a little bit less than where we were at yesterday, a little bit cooler, more mild. 84 into Union, 83 and more, 83 in Greer. Mostly sunny skies across the entire area, even off towards the southwest. Abbeville, a smidge warmer, 85 towards 96 too, and 82 in Liberty and Seneca. Towards the mountains in the 70s, 70 in Waynesville, 73 in Brevard, and 76 in Hendersonville. Today comes with a breeze, similar to what we had yesterday, with gusts picking up by mid to late morning. So just before the afternoon, gusts ramping up to about 20, 25 miles per hour, and then in the 30s, low 30s as we go into 3 o'clock, and then back to some teens as we head into the nighttime time frame. Humidity forecast therefore dropping, so we are already off to that pleasant start this morning. You notice the mugginess not sticking around the next couple of days after that too, with this graph showing Friday, Saturday, still in pleasant conditions, but back to muggy and humid into your Sunday and Monday. This is also increasing our rain chances, but not on Saturday. Saturday is the day to get outside, head to the water, because not only do we have a dry day, we have the best day for sunshine too. Highs in the 70s, just gorgeous. Water temp in the 60s for us, so fairly warm out there, comfortable if you're going to get in the water. Mild and staying dry at least for the entire day. Up until Sunday, we do start to increase some rain chances for the mountains. Monday into Tuesday for all of us, potentially into Wednesday, could start off next week a little wet. So Saturday, dry, pulling in cloud cover for the upstate and really across the mountains into Sunday. More noticeable though, with those rain chances trickling in to western North Carolina first, early into Sunday, but then picking up overnight into Monday. You can see by the afternoon on Monday, showers and storms starting to build into western North Carolina, and then moving south and southeast across the upstate with a washout day potential at least on Tuesday here for us. So this is something we're watching for cooler weather, and that holiday rain chance does come our way, bringing you the first alert on the Memorial Day rain. But getting you out the door here this morning, temperatures in the 60s, it feels comfortable. We're done with the humidity for now, so it's really nice pairing with sunshine in the 60s. In areas like Gaffney, 62, you see that temp climb right there. 63 in Spartanburg, 66 in Greenville, 60 in Hendersonville, 52 in Brevard, where it's just a little bit cooler. Next 12 hours, a lot of sunshine, warm to the 70s around 10 o'clock here this morning. Beautiful, need the sunglasses today, really no matter where you're at. Getting to a low 80 by 2, and that's where we stay today for those highs. Already telling you the next, I know it's on everyone's mind, and we do have rain chances. We've been bringing you the first alert on this the last several days. Starting with even Friday, Saturday, we are mostly dry. It is Sunday where we start to see at least the rain chances moving into specifically western North Carolina. I think that's where the rain's going to start to trickle on in. Maybe a bit of a cloudier day across the upstate, but mainly staying dry up until Monday, specifically afternoon and evening. Heavy rain, maybe some isolated thunderstorms, but more so some rain building in from about 2 to 6. Not a washout concern. Definitely want backup plans though if you plan on being outside the second half of the day on Monday, and we continue rain chances into Tuesday. So we keep saying enjoy this beautiful day that we have leading up to at least the first half of Memorial Day weekend. Sunshine today, specifically 65 degrees around 8 o'clock this morning, warming quickly to the mid to upper 70s by lunchtime with a whole lot of sunshine even into the afternoon and evening. Around 4 o'clock, 80s will come our way with some gustier winds too. So winds picking up. You may already notice that, but specifically by about 3 o'clock, wind gusts around 30 miles per hour. I think yesterday, pretty much a spot on forecast, just a little bit more sunshine that is. And temperatures a smidge milder, back to some lighter winds this evening. But that's going to cool us down. You know, those overnight lows will get to the 50s, kind of what we woke up to for eastern areas this morning, and highs dropping too, no longer in the 80s tomorrow. Still sunny, but 77 degrees for the high on Friday, 76 on Saturday, back to an 80 with humidity rising into Sunday, as well as shower and thunderstorm chances. More so rain in the mountains on Sunday, so keep those plans. Monday and Tuesday, though, backup plans needed for sure. Here's a look at your Memorial Day weekend forecast. Starting on Saturday, gorgeous, right? 76 degrees, sunny, feeling really nice out there. Now Sunday, we pull in a little bit more cloud cover, scattered showers specifically in western North Carolina, and 80s returning even on Memorial Day out by the pool.
Yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous out there. Let's just leave right now and go to the pool.
All right, Catherine, you take over. No, you got to do it.
Oh,
Yeah,
I have to
yeah,
stay.
it's all you.
Oh, it's all me.
Yeah,
Being Chris.
they cut to you early.
Oh, okay.
It's all
Hey
you.
guys, what's up? All right, we'll just finish the show all together. Temperatures this morning in the 60s here for us, mid 60s across the upstate, 66 in Greenville, 65 in Clemson. It really is a beautiful day for the pool. 61 in Hendersonville, or maybe to graduate for your graduation forecast, looking absolutely gorgeous. Partly cloudy skies around 9, upper 60s during this time, mid 70s by noon, and then a low 80 to come as we go through the afternoon and evening. A little bit of a breeze too. You could see that camera to it and show you what we can expect. So first, this cool down, and it does come with lower humidity, which we're already feeling today. Just downright gorgeous the next couple of days. Sunshine in the 70s Friday and Saturday before rain chances pick up, and bringing you that first alert on Sunday, but specifically more so into Monday on the actual Memorial Day holiday here. Hometown highs today, gorgeous no matter where you're at. 83 and more, 84 in Union, 82 in Gaffney towards Cowpens. Mostly sunny skies across the entire area. Off towards the southwest, Seneca 82 for the high, 83 in Liberty towards Belton, 85 in Abbeville. The mountains a little bit cooler, but still mild, pretty typical for this time of year. 70 in Waynesville and 75 in Brevard. Showing those winds picking up, already a little breezy out there, but gusts getting to the 20s by the next couple of hours. So think of yesterday with those winds still gusting by, I would say 3 o'clock in the 30s, which is similar to what we had on our Wednesday. So nothing too crazy, but certainly going to notice that gust every once in a while getting up there by the afternoon. But it's bringing in our humidity levels of much lower, at least humidity levels down there, those dew points in the 50s, which means pleasant, comfortable if you're going to be outside. We're back to the more muggy conditions into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So let's just say enjoy that late cast on Saturday here. This late cast that we have for you. 70s and sunshine here with water temps in the mid to upper 60s. We are mild and we're staying dry. That is really key as we head into Memorial Day weekend. We do start to rise rain chances. Now I will say Sunday, Mainly it's for the mountains, but Monday into Tuesday, even Wednesday, we continue rain chances with backup plans needed specifically on Monday. So let's take a look. Future track together. We can see Saturday looking dry, a little bit more cloud cover into your Sunday, but really it's those darker greens here where I think we have the best shot into Sunday morning, 8 a.m. of that rain coming into western North Carolina. Monday afternoon and evening from about 1 to 6, pulling in the best shot of rain on Tuesday here for us. So have backup plans on Monday afternoon. Temperatures right now in the upper 60s to low 70s. It is just gorgeous outside. I mean, we have low humidity, we have sunshine, and really nice go at these mild temperatures here this morning. 69 in Gaffney, 68 in Clemson, 69 in Greenville, 72 in Anderson, and then upper 60s to mid 50s in the mountains. Next 12 hours, again, just a beautiful, beautiful Thursday here. Warming to the upper 70s around noon, 1 o'clock, with a whole lot of sunshine again into the afternoon and evening. We are going to reach highs in the low 80s today, just a little milder than what we had yesterday. Still a little bit of a breeze. Memorial Day weekend rain chances. So Saturday we are dry, even Friday we're dry. It's Sunday into Monday where things start to get a little tricky. Sunday mainly for the mountains. We have a good chance of some isolated showers to move on in, but Monday for everyone, even some isolated scattered showers and storms by the afternoon and evening, picking up some heavy amounts of rain too at times. So that is the day to have those backup plans in place for the second half of the day today. Not today, sorry, for at least Monday, Memorial Day. Now for today, this involves today the wind gusts. We're going to be picking those up. We already have gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour over the next several hours, but really noticing those gustiest winds coming by 3 o'clock this evening, this afternoon, with gusts around 30 miles per hour. So similar to what we had yesterday, but it's that air that's coming in from the northwest that's going to be cooling us down. I mean, those overnight lows dipping to the low to mid 50s in the coming days, and then those highs dropping to very mild into the start of Memorial Day weekend, pairing with low humidity and a whole lot of sunshine. So just beautiful. 77 on Friday, 76 on Saturday. Doesn't get much better than this, but then changes again. As I mentioned, Sunday into Monday, we do up the humidity, and that's going to up our shower and thunderstorm chances with our next system to come on through. Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, just upping the best chance for rain on Tuesday. But for the holiday weekend, I don't think you need backup plans on Sunday, but you do on Monday. Your Memorial Day weekend forecast here, starting with Saturday. Again, just downright gorgeous no matter where you're at. Sunshine in the 70s, just feeling so nice. And 80 on Sunday with scattered showers. And then showing on the actual holiday, at this point, 70 now in Lawrence, 72 in Anderson, and 69 in Greenville, 67 in Hendersonville, 57 in Brevard. Spoiled for the graduates if you're going to be outside later on today. The afternoon and evening just gorgeous. Again, some wind gusts here and there, but easy to take from 20 to 30 miles per hour. By noon, we're in the mid to upper 70s. Need the sunglasses through the afternoon and evening. Low 80s by 4 o'clock. Let's start your travel forecast, though, with people headed out for Memorial Day weekend. On tomorrow, the busiest travel day for, prepare for showers and thunderstorms more so into Monday. Sunday, the rain will come into the mountains for us here in the upstate. I think you're just going to see a little bit more cloud cover, maybe an isolated shower, but it's going to be warmer and more humid versus what we're going to get the next several days with that drop in humidity already here, leading to a gorgeous Thursday and highs in the 70s, at least for the next couple of days after today. Today, we're still in the low to mid 80s across the area. A lot of low 80s out there towards Gaffney. This is later on, hitting this high around 3, 4 o'clock. 82 in Cowpens, 83 and more towards Union and Greer. Mostly sunny skies even off towards the southwest. 82 in Belton towards Liberty, 81 in Seneca, and 83 in Hartwell. In the mountains, the 70s, just perfect weather, mostly sunny skies. 75 in Brevard, 76 in Hendersonville, and 69 in Waynesville. We're going to get these wind gusts to pick up a little bit. It's already a little breezy out there, but by just before lunchtime, gusts around 20, 25 miles per hour, getting to the 30s, no matter where you're at, by 3 o'clock. And then we're going to get some lighter winds into the nighttime frame. Humidity forecast, though, it is going down. It's already gone down because of the winds from yesterday. We're going to continue this trend. So pleasant the next several days, but then we're back to muggy to humid into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, ahead of our next chance of rain, of showers and thunderstorms. But not before we do get to Saturday. So we are going to see beautiful weather on Saturday, 70s, a lot of sunshine, perfect for getting in the water. This is the day to enjoy outside. Saturday for Memorial Day weekend. Water temps 66 to 69, just staying dry before the rain starts to come on through. Potential for it on Sunday for the upstate, but better odds Monday into Tuesday, I will say. So taking a look at future track, we can see together when this is going to be coming on in. We are showing dry on Saturday. Cloud cover moves in on Sunday, so it's just not going to be the prettiest day to get outside. You're still going to be able to, despite the rain chances in the morning for the mountains. You can see increasing though Sunday night and into Monday here for us. Isolated showers and storms, about 1 to 6 picking up across the upstate.